Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. In this video, we are going to take a look at the WhiteOak Capital Quality Equity Fund, which is a scheme designed to focus on high quality businesses with strong fundamentals. But is it the right fit for your investment portfolio? Let us delve into an in-depth analysis in this video to help you make an informed decision. Now, before analyzing this fund, let us first understand a few basic details about it. But as an NFO, it opens on 8th Jan 2025 and closes on 22nd Jan 2025. And some of the key features of this fund are: it is an open-ended fund type which belongs to the category of equity thematic fund, and it has BSE Quality TRI as its benchmark index, and there is an exit load of 1% if you choose to redeem it within 1 month, and there is no entry load, but there is a minimum investment amount of 500 rupees. And the fund managers of this fund are Mr. Ramesh Mantri and Mr. Piyush Baranwal, and according to the riskometer of this fund, the risk involved in this fund is very high. Now these are some of the key features of this fund. Now the investment objective of this fund is that it is to provide long-term capital appreciation to the investors by constructing a diversified investment portfolio based on the quality factor theme to provide investors with exposure to companies having strong fundamentals and sustainable competitive advantages. Now, as we have a basic understanding of this fund, let us move on to analyzing the pros and cons of investing in this fund. So let's start with the pros. The number one advantage is the focus on quality companies. So the fund aims to invest in companies with strong fundamentals such as high return on equity ROE, low financial leverage, and good corporate governance. Another advantage is a diversified portfolio. By constructing a diversified investment portfolio based on the quality factor theme, the fund provides investors with exposure to companies exhibiting long-term stability, potentially leading to more predictable returns and sustainable growth. Another advantage is the experienced fund management. Because this fund is managed by WhiteOak Capital, which is known for its expertise and disciplined approach to equity investments, which is also an advantage. And finally, the potential for consistent returns. The emphasis on quality stocks here could lead to more predictable and sustainable returns over time. So these are some of the advantages of investing in this fund. Now let us take a look at the cons, the disadvantages of investing in this fund. So the number one drawback here is the thematic investment risk. As a thematic fund focusing on the quality factor, it may be susceptible to sector-specific risk and may underperform in market conditions where other investment factors outperform. Another drawback is the market volatility. So despite focusing on quality companies, the fund is still subjected to market risk and returns can fluctuate based on broader economic conditions. Another drawback could be limited track record. So as a relatively new fund, there may be limited historical performance data available, making it challenging to assess its long-term potential. Finally, potentially lower returns in bull market. This is also another drawback. So during aggressive market rallies, fund may not deliver returns as high as other riskier investments in the market. So these are all the drawbacks that you can get from investing in this fund, which you need to carefully consider before deciding to invest in it. Now, what is the final verdict on our analysis? Is it worth investing in the WhiteOak Capital Quality Equity Fund in the long term or not? As you can see, this fund does offer investors an opportunity to invest in high quality companies with strong fundamentals, aiming for long-term capital appreciation. However, it's essential to consider the thematic nature of the fund, potential market volatility, and its limited track record when making investment decision, because as always, align your investment with your financial goals and risk tolerance. So basically, it's up to you as an investor to decide whether investing in this will be suitable for your investment portfolio in the long term or not. But our personal opinion would be that if you're a first time investor, like you're just beginning to invest, or if you're a conservative investor who's not willing to take a lot of risk, then you can avoid avoid investing in this fund because this is not a beginner friendly fund, and also it involves a lot of heavy risk. And if you do want to invest in a thematic fund like this, then there are other similar existing thematic fund like this with a proper track record where you can analyze and take calculative risk instead of taking blind risk in investing in an NFO like this. And also, if you're looking for funds for your core investment portfolio to achieve your main financial goals, it's better if you do not invest in this fund because still, as I have already told, this is an NFO and we're yet to see a track record. So without a track record, it will be like taking a blind risk where if you choose to invest in it for your core portfolio, it can impact the returns in it negatively if this fund underperforms. So if you do want to invest in it and you have surplus money and you just want to see how investing in this fund will go, then you can invest it through your supplementary holdings like your satellite portfolio with a surplus money from a minimal investment. So from there, after investing for few years, if you think this fund will perform well, then you can increase your investment amount. And also definitely avoid investing in this fund if you do not know when to enter and exit from a thematic fund. And finally, if you think you need a professional guidance to approaching your investments, then definitely consult with a certified financial planner because they will look at the suitability of the plan's investment objective, risk profile, overlap ratio, allocation to find out whether it will be suitable for your investment portfolio in the long run or not.
And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.